Hey y'all, and welcome to another episode on How Do You Cook Back to Basics. So today I have a special guest here with me. This is our grandson, Waylon. Waylon, say hello.
Hi everybody.
He wanted to show you all how to make a super simple recipe. He wants to make some Rice Krispie treats for you all. It's a simple, plain recipe. We're not going to go extravagant or anything. But what you will need is 5 to 6 cups of Rice Krispies. You'll need one package. Waylon, you'll show them the package. One 10-ounce package of mini marshmallows. We can put that down. And you'll need 3 tablespoons of butter. I always use real butter. I don't use margarine. But I do know that there are some vegan ingredients, so if you wanted to make this dessert or this treat vegan, you could make that vegan as well. So Waylon's going to get some cookie cutters and make him some really cute designs. So what we're going to do with his is he's going to decorate his with blue funfetti aqua blue vanilla icing. And we have some really cool sprinkles here that he's going to put on his. All right, so we're going to bring this butter over to our stove and get that melting. First thing you'll want to do is turn your stove eye on low. Okay, so now Waylon is going to put our 3 tablespoons of butter into our large pot here. Go ahead and put that in there, babe. All right, so now we're just going to melt up this butter really well. Once that melts, we're going to add our marshmallows. Okay, so our butter is melted, so Waylon is going to put in our marshmallows. Go ahead and do that now. The whole bag. There you go. So Waylon is going to sit here and keep his eye on the marshmallows, and he's going to stir it, and I'm going to supervise. So we'll be back in a minute, y'all. Okay, so our marshmallows have been melted, and the reason why we're going to use a big pot is because we're going to put our Rice Krispies in this pot and mix them all up. So now we're going to put in about half of our Rice Krispies into this pot with our melted marshmallows. You want to do that for me, baby? Put about half of them in there. That's about half. We'll go ahead and coat those. You want to do? Go ahead and stir them up good. Whatever you do, don't squish them. All right, so let's go ahead and put in the rest. There you go. There you go. Let me get this real quick. You have to work really fast, honey. You have to work really, really fast to get every bit of these Rice Krispies coated. So now we're going to put our Rice Krispies in our container. I'm going to put a little bit of spray on here, and we're just going to put this on top. We're going to use our hands and we're going to mash. Our Rice Krispie treats have been sitting for about 30 minutes. So Waylon wants to use a couple of cookie cutters. This is a bat, and this one is a turkey. So before we do that, I'm going to spray these with some cooking spray, just a little, so they don't stick to the
Rice Krispie
treats. Yes, good job. Are you ready? You want to go ahead and lay them where you want them to be? Okay, are they where you want them to be?
Yep.
All right, let's go ahead and start pushing. All right, so here's Waylon's bat Rice Krispie treat, and he is going to decorate that for you all and show you what he does. So our Rice Krispie treats are ready. Waylon decorated his bat in blue, of course. And I decorated my turkey and I put some sprinkles on top. So now it is time to taste test this yummy Rice Krispie treat. Let's do this, y'all. Let's try it. Oh, it's so good. Isn't that good, Waylon? You can never go wrong with a plain Rice Krispie treat. There are so many variations of how you can make Rice Krispie treats, and you can put...
I bet it's settled.
I bet my turkey's head off. But let me set this down. That wraps up this episode on how do you cook back to basics, and allowing me and Waylon to share with you how to make a simple Rice Krispie treat. So,
make sure you click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and not miss out on any upcoming videos.
All right. Well said, Waylon. All right. Until next time, y'all. See you later. Bye-bye now.